Hello students, welcome to the English classes. Today I will tell you uses of pronouns. Let us know today uses of pronouns. You know, distributive pronoun is one of the kinds of pronoun. Distributive pronoun is one of the kinds of pronoun. It has each, either, neither, or, nor, either or, and neither nor. Now let us see the use of this distributive pronoun, how they are used in the sentences. For example, each of the girls was learning her lesson. You see, each of the girls, when each is connected with a plural noun here, see, girls, verb used will be singular. When each gets connected with a plural word, verb used will be singular. Either Garima or Shyam. Either Garima or Shyam was reading his lesson. When either gets connected with a singular noun and one more singular noun. The case may be with the neither also. Once more I want to tell you, when either or neither are connected with two singular nouns, verb again will be singular. The thing is, neither will take nor, either will take or. Now see again, every boy, every girl. When every gets connected with two singulars, girl and boy, and every is repeated. Every boy and every girl, when every gets repeated with two singular nouns, again the verb will remain singular. Neither Mohan nor his friends. When neither or either, again I want to tell you that neither takes nor, either will take or with it, but the rule will remain the same. When neither gets connected with one singular noun and plural noun, friends is plural and Mohan is singular here. In that case only verb used will be plural. Only in that case only verb used will be plural. He or I am to be blamed. He or I. When two subjects, two pronouns are connected with or and nor. If it is or nor, verb used is according to the second one, nearest one, second one. I is nearest, I second, this is the first, this is the second subject. The verb used is according to the nearest one, first, second one, that is am. Am has been used for I, not is. We cannot write here is for he. It will, when two subjects are there and it is connected with or, maybe nor also, verb used will be according to the second one, that is am here. But when the sentence becomes interrogative, students, when the sentence becomes interrogative, verb used will be according to the first one, he or I. When it is interrogative, according to the first person, first subject. Verb used will be according to the first subject. So we can't write am, he or I. When we make it interrogative, when we are changing this sentence interrogative, we cannot write here am, he, because It can't be, it is not possible at all. It will be according to the first one. Is he or I to be blamed? Now students, this is the rules for distributive pronouns, how they are used in the sentence. Now in my next video, I will tell you the rest uses of pronouns. Till then, thank you.